The Alessi MDL02/3 R Pulcina Espresso Maker combines sculptural Italian design with everyday practicality, making it as striking on the stove as it is reliable for daily use. Its carefully engineered internal chamber stops the brewing process at the ideal moment, helping to avoid harsh bitterness and deliver a smoother, more rounded espresso flavor. The pronounced beak-like pouring spout is shaped to cut off drips cleanly, so serving espresso is neat and controlled rather than messy. Crafted from solid aluminum casting with a sturdy handle and knob, the pot feels robust in the hand while still heating quickly and evenly on the stovetop. Designed in collaboration with a renowned architect and a respected coffee company, it marries aesthetic flair with thoughtful extraction mechanics that coax out a rich aroma and crema. Beyond its performance, the Pulcina has a distinctive, conversation-starting look that makes it a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves both design and traditional stovetop espresso.